In this video, I want to show you the power steering location on your Hyundai Sonata. So you're gonna open the hood. This is the engine bay. The engine is here and you're gonna go on the left side. The power steering fluid is located right over here in between the window washer and the coolant. So you're gonna go here, you're gonna unscrew the cap and you're gonna fill it up. Over here you get some guides so you don't overfill it. So take a look. If your engine is cold, you're gonna have the top line has a maximum fill line. I'll put the graphic on the screen right now that will explain to you much better that I can. Anyway, once you're done, make sure to to put back the cap and to make sure to screw it completely. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave a comment. Thanks.